everyone, Ray here. On this video, ipapakita ko kung paano i-load yung Grab wallet nyo using BPI Online. So stay tuned.
Open the BPI app, log in, then select yung account na gusto nyong gamitin pang transfer. Go to transfer money to another bank or e-wallet. Select your destination account. Search lang natin GrabPay. Input the account name and account number. Yung account number nyo will be the mobile number attached to your Grab account. Input the amount. Click continue. Double check everything and click confirm. Yan, transfer successful. Makaka-receive din kayo ng SMS from BPI. Now, let's go to Grab and check if pumasok yung transaction natin. Go to activity and ayan, it says here, cash in to GrabPay wallet, 1,000 pesos. Makikita nyo din yan dito sa profile. Go to Grab wallet and there you go. You'll see na andito yung transaction and it should reflect on your total wallet balance.
I hope you learned something on this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Thank you guys. Bye!